Let's take a quick look at how to use Google Ads for keyword research. Now, in your Google Ads account, you're going to want to head over to Tools, and then under Planning, you'll see the Keyword Planner option here. This is the Keyword Planner tool, which is the built-in tool that's going to allow us to do keyword research using Google Ads data specifically, right? And from here, I typically just go to Discover New Keywords. Click this option. This is going to give us a little window here where we can drop in some seed keywords, if you will. It's giving us an example like try meal delivery or leather boots. Sure, why not? Let's try leather boots. If we type in leather boots, we can also choose our language and the location that we want to target. So maybe it's the US and Canada. We're trying to sell leather boots across the whole of US and Canada. So we want to choose the correct location and then click Get Results. And then we're going to be able to see the search volume. It's also going to give us a trend up here. So it looks like in the winter months, this keyword is quite popular. In the summer months, it's not as popular, which would make sense because I think a lot of people are going to be wearing leather boots when it's cold out, right? So from here, we can download this set of keywords. That's typically what I like to do. And then I'll filter these out to ones that are relevant. And in our theoretical store where we are selling leather boots, maybe we're only doing low top boots. So we don't have these like wide calf boots or knee-high boots. So we would just eliminate those and go with anything that is like smaller boots, right? Just as an example. If there's additional keywords along the way where you're like, oh, leather boots, but I didn't think about the fact that we also do leather shoes, whatever it is, some other thing. You can always remove the other keywords, put new ones in here, click search. It's just going to give you more data on this other set of keywords. It will also kind of help you broaden out your search here. If you're finding that you're not getting enough traffic or there's not enough traffic in your area that you're targeting. The other cool thing is the ability to refine these keywords. So if you don't really want to be using any other brand terms, like maybe you have your own brand of leather boots that you've created, and you really only want to be running Google Ads for people who are looking for leather boots and not Gucci leather boots, because they're not going to want to buy yours if they're looking for somebody else's, most likely. So you can exclude all of those just with one click. Same with these, like if someone's trying to buy leather boots on Amazon, maybe you don't really want clicks from those searches. And you don't really care about these other brands either, right? So now we've refined this set of keywords down. We can export it here, or we can go back and refine it further as needed. So that's sort of the ins and outs. I guess the other major thing is you can switch the date ranges here. So you'll notice that it's giving us kind of an estimate of the search volume based on the date. And this is the current month, right? So we can see it's December through November of 2024. Or excuse me, it's the last year up to the current month, and these numbers are the current month right here. You can also add these to a plan if you want. I like to export them and filter them that way, but you can basically create a plan and then go and create a campaign to target those keywords right within Google Ads. Just kind of makes things a little bit easier and more straightforward there. So that's kind of it. Hope you did find this video helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek, I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.